problems based on sum to n terms of the geometric progression. So here in abbreviation the geometric progression can be expressed as GP. So here GP stands for the geometric progression, and we are going to deal few problems that are based upon sum denoted by means of capital S of n terms. Overall we can write it as S of n, say here, of part 2. The problems under part 2 in an advanced level. So here we know that the sum of n terms, when the first term is of the GP, the first term of the GP is of A and the ratio, the common ratio by means of R, then the sum of n terms when R, the common ratio, is less than 1, so we can write it as S of n is equals to A into, when R is less than 1, so 1 minus R to the power of A into 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R. At the same time, when R is greater than 1, so here we can write the sum of n terms by means of S of n is equals to A into R to the power of n minus 1, so R to the power of n minus 1 overall divided by R minus 1. Here the problem is of find the sum to n terms. We are going to find out the sum to n terms of the progression, that is 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777 plus dash dash up to n terms. So here the progression is of GP. So n terms which is of GP, the geometric progression. So we are going to find out the sum of n terms of this geometric progression, which is given by means of 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777 plus dash dash up to n terms. Then now, so as per the problem, the condition which is given to us, the geometric progression which is given to us is of 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777 plus dash dash up to n terms, which is the geometric, which is in the geometric progression. This series belongs to the geometric progression. Then now, so here plus the first term plus second term plus third term up to n terms. So here plus indicates the sum which is denoted by means of capital S. So here we can denote the sum as S. So we are adding up n terms, so we can write it as S of n. So sum of n terms is given by means of 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777 plus dash dash up to n terms. Then now, so here overall in each and every term, so 7 is occurring. So here therefore I want to take the 7 as common in each and every term. Then the next logical step will be given by means of, so here S of n is equals to, when 7 is taken out as common, then the first term will be off. So since it is 0.7, when 7 is taken out, so 0.1, so 0.1 into 7 is 0.7. So we can write it as, so here 0.1 into 7 is off, 7 once is off 7, then decimal, then now 7 into 0 is off 0. So here 0.7, 7 into 0.1 is of 0.7, then the next logical step will be off. So here 0.1 plus the next terms will be of 0.11 plus 0.111 plus dash dash up to n terms, bracket close. Then now the next logical step will be of, so I want to multiply both numerator and denominator by means of 9. So here multiplying n, that is numerator, and as well as the denominator by means of the digit, that is 9. Then now the next logical step will be of So that implies, so here Sn, that is sum of n terms, is given by means of, so entire the expression, that is 7 into 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111, so here dash dash up to the n terms. So this must be multiplied in the numerator and as well as denominator by means of 9. So here I want to multiply in the numerator with 9 and similarly in the denominator with 9, so that its value will be of 1. So 9 ones and 9 ones, it is of 1. 1 into the same is of the same, which is as the previous logical step. Then now, so here the next logical step will be of, that implies S of n is equals to, I want to insert this 9 into the bracket. So here when 9 is inserted, that is bracket indicates here into, so we have to multiply, so each and every term up to n terms by means of this n, 9. So here then only 7 overall divided by 9 is left over, so I want to write it as 7 divided by this denominator 9. So bracket, then this 9 is multiplied with each and every term, so in this manner. So 9 into 0.1, that is 0.1 into 9 is of 9. Then now plus 9 into 0 is of 0 plus 9 ones is of 9 and 9 ones again is of 9, or in other words 9 into 0 is of 0 point, so 9 into 11 is of 99 plus 0.111 into 9 will be of 0 point, so here 9 ones is of 9, so again 9 ones is of 9, then 9 ones is of 9, or in other words 0.999 by multiplying 0.111 with 9. So here plus dash dash up to n terms, bracket close. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies S of n is equals to 7 divided by 9 bracket. In order to remove this decimal, so after the decimal there is of 1 digit, so here 0.9 is written as it is. After the decimal, so there is of 1 digit, so here we have to multiply, there is of only 1 digit, so here I am going to write as only 1 0 followed by 1, that is 10. So I am multiplying, so 10 in the numerator and dividing 10 in the denominator, so as to remove this decimal. Plus in the same manner, so here I have to multiply, so there are of 2 digits after the decimal in the 0.99, so 0.99, in order to remove this decimal, so here I have to multiply with, there are of 2 digits, so here 2 zeros followed by 1, that is 100 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator, plus, so 0.999, in order to remove this decimal 0.999, so decimal, this decimal, there are of 3 digits after the decimal, so I have to multiply 3 zeros followed by 1, that is 1000 in the numerator and as well as 1000 in the denominator, plus dash dash, so here there are of n terms, so n terms in it, bracket close. Then the next logical step will be of, so that implies S of n is equals to 7 divided by 9 bracket. When 10 is multiplied with 0.9, then this point will left off, so you will get as only 0.9, so 0 won't have any value, there will be of only 9 in the numerator overall divided by this 10. Just we are multiplying 10 with 0.9 in order to remove this decimal, so 10 into 0.9 becomes only 9 without this decimal, so 0 won't have any value. Similarly, so we can struck off this 0, in order to remove this decimal we have multiplied with 100. When 0.99 is multiplied with 100, then decimal will go off, then just what I say here, only 99 will be left over in the numerator, plus 99 and denominator will be of 100, plus. Similarly here 0 gets cancelled, when we multiply 0.999 with 1000, we will be getting without the decimal, that is 999 divided by the 1000 in the denominator, plus dash dash up to n terms, bracket close. Then now, so here the denominator is of 10, but the numerator is of 9, it is 1 less than this 10, so we can write it as 9 can be expressed as 10 minus 1 as 9. Similarly 100, so it is numerator is of 99, 99 is 1 less than this 100, so here we can write 99 as 100 minus 1. Similarly 1000 in the denominator, numerator is of 999, 999 is 1 less than this 1000, so this 999 can be expressed as 1000 minus 1. So here the next logical step will be of, that implies S of n is equals to 7 divided by 9 bracket, 9 can be expressed as 10 minus 1 overall divided by 10, then next term is of 99 divided by 100, 99 can be expressed as 100 minus 1 overall divided by 100, plus next term is of 999 divided by 1000, so here 1000 minus 1 is of 999, that is 999 overall divided by 1000 plus dash dash, there are of n terms in it, bracket close. So now, so your partial division, so here there are of 2 terms within this bracket, overall divided by 10, I am going to divide partially, here mean, partially mean, So 10 divided by 10, the first term divided by 10 and the second term also divided by 10 in the similar manner throughout the series. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies S of n is equals to 7 divided by 9 within the square brackets by partial division 10 by 10 minus 1 by 10 plus, before the brackets there is a positive sign, there won't be any sort of changes in this bracket, 100 by 100 by partial division minus 1 divided by 100. Similarly, brackets, before the bracket there is a positive, no change in this signs of the terms. So when we open those brackets, the partial division, so 1000 divided by this 1000 minus 1 by 1000 plus dash dash, there are of n terms in it, square bracket closed. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies S of n is equals to 7 divided by 9. I want to group after the cancellation. So here 10 and 10 gets cancels by means of 1, 10 1 is of 10. Similarly third term 100 and 100 by means of 1, so 1000 and 1000 by means of 1, and similarly and so on. The alternate terms will be gets cancelled by means of 1s. Then now the next logical step will be of, so here 7 by 9 into first term is of 1 minus 1 by 10 plus, here it is of 1 minus 1 by 100 plus it is of 1 minus 1 by 1000 plus, and so on. There are of n terms in it, bracket close. Then now the next logical step will be of, so that implies S of n is equals to 7 divided by 9 bracket. Let us see the only the alternate terms. So 1, the third term is of 1 plus 1, the next fifth term is of plus 1, then similarly and so on. The odd terms, that is 1 3 5, that is the first term T1 T3 T5 T7 and similarly and so on, they are of 1 each, the two of positive signs. So let us group all these terms, but these ones are how many? They are of n, they are of n terms in it. So here we have to write it as 1 first term, the third term is of plus 1 plus the fifth term is of plus 1 plus 1 plus dash dash, there are of n terms. So we can write it as up to, so your ones can be added up in this manner n number of times, that are of n terms. So now let us write within the small brackets, then the remaining terms are of minus 1 by term, that are of even terms. So here T2, the second term, fourth term, sixth term and similarly and so on. So here they are also of n number of times, they are of n terms. So here minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 100, minus 1 by 1000 and dash dash, they are also of n in number. So here of n terms, bracket close. The next logical step will be of, so that implies S of n, the sum of n terms will be given by means of 7 by 9. So here first term is of 1, the second term is also of 1. When two terms T1 and T2 are added up, first two terms sum 1 plus 1 will be of 2. When 3 are added up, so here it is of 3. When n terms are added up, it will be of n. When p terms are added up, it will be of p. So p into 1 is of p. When n terms are added up, n into 1 is of, because each term is of 1, so n into 1 is of n. The sum of all these terms will be of only n. So here among the remaining terms, there is of common sign, I say here, that is of negative. So when minus sign is taken out as common, so here let us write within the brackets minus, when negative sign is taken as common, then the remaining terms will be of. When minus sign is taken out, the signs inside the brackets will be changed. So 1 by 10 written as it is. Instead of minus sign, I have tried it as plus sign, 1 by 100, because we took negative sign as common. So minus sign becomes here plus, that is 1 by 1000 plus dash dash, there are of n terms in it. Then now the next logical step will be of, we can check up here minus of 1 by 10, then minus of plus is minus, that is 1 by 100, minus of, that is bracket indicates into, minus of plus is again minus, that is 1 by 1000, similarly and so on up to n terms. So here I want to write this equation as the first equation. In this first equation I want to suppose, so here this first one as case 1, this bracket as the case 1. I want to solve first of all this bracket, that is case number 1, separately. So here case number 1 is of 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 plus dash dash up to n. So here I am going to deal, I want to solve this case number 1. Then now